Hello, Z-Fam Mama, and today I'm coming to you with an exciting announcement. More for me, but maybe this could benefit you. I'm now selling Young Living oils. And if you've watched any of my videos in the past, you've seen that we've used the Now oils, which have worked for us. I used to use like the orange on my kids' pillows for them to sleep and relax, and we used some other things for breathing, and anyways, but I never ingested any of these, and I'm really glad I didn't now because this line of Young Living oils it's incredible. I wish I could have everybody try these out, and I literally go try this for a month because it's life-changing. So for me, we have gone, if you've watched again my videos before, you've seen my daughter has terrible little allergies. We were doing Dimetapp, every single day. And it was just sneezing. Well, we came across a friend of ours was selling these Young Living oils, and we decided to give it a try. Well, we switched her over to, let's see, find it here. It's called Sniffles. There it is. So it's the kids line, and totally safe for the kids to use. Anytime she starts sneezing, we're like, "Where's your Sniffles?" She just gets it, puts it right on her little nose area here. Boom. Sneezers are gone. So she can. It's an amazing testament to this. We no longer use Dimetapp in my house. Actually, I've thrown it all away. We have been changing so many things in our life based on these oils because I've got 4 asthmatic kids plus myself. Well, my oldest son has really bad asthma. He was using his inhaler daily. Now he uses, help me out here. What's he use? Which one is it?
Roller.
The roller. Breathe Again. There it is. Thank you. So this is the Breathe Again roller. This one comes already pre-mixed for you, which is so nice. And I've had my other daughter, another quick story, is she was having a major asthma attack. And I said, I think you have to use your inhaler. And my other daughter grabbed this and she put it on, and within seconds, she was like so much better. So we are now substituting, getting rid of the inhaler, using this, getting rid of the Dimetapp, using the kids line of things. Woo! So there's an amazing amount of oils that Young Living offers, and you think, oh gosh, what, $14 for an oil? Okay, so when I used to use this Now oil, like let's just say diffusing, and I'm putting like 6-8 drops in because that's what it's taking to get the scent to come out. Now I grab, say, with this one, and it's 1 to 2 drops, maybe 3. I mean, it just is so much different, the potency, because this has fillers. These do not. And so what's really cool about these ones is anything with Young Living with a white label is ingestible. So I have 5 kids. My days get crazy. I have fallen in love with Citrus Fresh, and I'm not going to find it. Here it is. See, big bottle. I put this in my water every day, and I'm telling you, it so helps regulate. I am just like so much more clear head with this. Anyways, and it tastes good. So if you like oranges or lemons, that's really great. They've got a lemon, they've got a lime. I mean, there's so many different ingestible oils you can use. Another one I love is I drink a chai tea latte. I throw cinnamon bark in mine, and it just gives that extra spice. So if you like cinnamon bears or that's the flavor you get. So I'll do more videos on these oils, another time or different videos. But right now, just for your guys' option to get a kit, this is $160, right? Sorry, I'm just new to all this. So I'm asking my other daughter. Anyways, this is a kit you get for $160. You get this kit and a diffuser, which is so neat to use. And this has lights, and it's not plugged in right now, but you just add your water, you add your oil. I could probably show that too, huh? So the water will go in there, couple drops of oil, snap the lid on, boom, and then you just turn it on, and it goes. And it is absolutely amazing. And the other thing is we used to diffuse the Now oils. My daughter just got a terrible headache. She's like, I hate this, I don't like oils. As soon as we started using this, she's like, can we get some in my room? So it's been really great. So anyways, the box, $160, and you think, oh my gosh, that's so much money. But wait, let's see what you get. So you get a lot of different oils in here. These ones down here, all the white labels are ingestible. These ones are just your regular use on your skin. I will tell you on like the peppermint. If you have any kind of halitosis or bad breath, or your kids forget to brush their teeth, use that one. That's a really great one. We keep it in our car because, you know, little young kids, you know, go brush your teeth, you get in the car, oh, I brush my teeth. Okay, at least that gets rid of bad breath and kind of helps take care of some germs. So you get Raven, which I will have my camera gal help with that. That's for breathing. Citrus Fresh, I could have talked to you about that. That's really great to stick in the water. Panaway, this helps with pain. It's really great. My dad had knee surgery, and he would come home and just be like, Anna, where's your oil? I need some Panaway, and rubbed it on his knee, and it just really helped relieve that pain. And then lavender. Okay, so here I gotta stop really quick with lavender because not a fan of lavender. I feel like lavender is like that one oil that everybody uses. Oh, I love lavender. Oh, let's put it on this, and it's everywhere. But I think the problem is we've got so much society that's got lavender that's not pure. So it's like, get that away from me. This one, I'm telling you, it's got that lavender smell, but if you like walk by a lavender plant or brush one, that's the smell. It's like not invasive, intrusive. I don't even know what you want to say. That one's, so anyways, that's a great lavender. Next, we have frankincense. Okay, so if you are a believer in Jesus, that's baby Jesus oil. That's what we call it around the house. That is for so many different things. What's the main thing you'd use frankincense for, you think?
Immunity boosting.
Oh, immunity. Oh, this one rub on your toe.
Oh, skin.
You can rub this on your toe, like at night if your kids aren't feeling well. You put that on to help boost their immunity or getting ready to start school. Throw it on their toe at night. And why on the toe? Because the toe connects to the pituitary gland, and it helps your body tell what needs to be done. And all of these oils, when you use it on it, your body knows how to use it. It's like taking an antibiotic. When you take an antibiotic oil orally, it knows to go to your, knee problem or your infection in your ear. So that's the same thing with these oils. Now we'll get to the fun stuff. Lemon, which we've had to reorder multiple times because it's so good in water, tea. When you've got sore throat, hot tea, throw a little lemon in there. Yummy, yummy. Peppermint, I kind of talked to you about that one. Thieves. Oh my goodness. Thieves is like everything for everything. I'll show you the cleaner in just a second. This is like literally everything. You breathe it in. It's great for cleaning. What else?
That's the immunity.
Immunity.
I mean, it kills everything.
But this one you could take orally. But frankincense, that would be same, or not same.
You can order Vitality of frankincense.
Oh, cool. Okay. See, there you go. I'm still learning. So anyways, a lot of these you can order in Vitality. And then Digest. Okay, so we were moving about 5 months ago, right? 5 months ago, I got a horrific bellyache. And I thought, I'm going down. I thought I was getting the flu. Took a drop of this under my tongue. And I kid you not, in 15 minutes, I sat there for a second like, is this real? Because I was good. I got up and started moving boxes and everything. So this Digest, and you don't have to take it. Okay, it's not the best tasting. You can rub it on your stomach, just stomach aches. And the cool thing with this is they have kids version tummy jies. So my daughter, eats too much or drinks something that didn't agree with her, like milk, or this one works great for her. So kind of cool, adult version and kid version. But you can use this on kids too. It's just the tummy one's easy because they can also take that one, right? Yeah.
And they can just put it on themselves. It's a little easier for them.
Copaiba. I think this is my daughter's favorite, right? What do you use this one for, Banana?
Anti-inflammatory and enhancing. Add Copaiba to any one of these oils and it will intensify the effect.
So she has scoliosis. And so we rubbed this on her back until we got... Oh my gosh, where is it?
Valor.
Oh. This one, and it was really cool because I was rubbing it up her spine and then kind of out. And she was going to do a kids camp that day. And this really helped her, right?
Oh my gosh, yeah. I was so tight, and then you rubbed that on my back with Copaiba, and within like 15 minutes, I was like, I can move my back.
You go. So the cool thing is, too, if you decide to order a kit, whether through me or somebody else, it doesn't matter. I'm telling you, get these. Open it up, because underneath, a lot of people don't realize this, it looks like there's nothing, but wait, there is. So here's another one I mentioned. Here's Stress Away, another great oil. It helps anxiety, rub this right over your heart and chest. It is a great one. It smells so good. And then there's the Thieves Cleaner I was talking about. You put this, I put everything now, we're changing over to glass. So this isn't just switching oils, this is like lifestyle change. And I'll go into more detail about it because there's a lot of information, but literally changing our lives and our kids' lives to not have as many chemicals in and around us. I'm talking from the lotions we put on our babies to the shampoo we put on our head. Like, we are changing everything. But this is one thing we use this in a glass bottle, and you spray it on everything, all the countertops. This is our cleanser. This is our cleaner. We use this on toilets. We use this on the counters. We use this in the bathrooms. Is there anything else? What else? I'm like, everything.
Stain remover. It's a
and it smells so
an
good.
everything cleaner, and it's plant based, so there's no
Thank you.
no chemicals, and it's totally safe.
Yeah, that's the great thing about this. And then I'm probably gonna say this right, Ninja Red.
Mm-hmm.
So this is great to take every day. I think it's an ounce or 2. Anyways, these are samples you get with the kit, but they come in like these big, cool looking bottles. And you can take a shot of it every day. You can add oils to it and take a quick shot in the morning just to kind of help boost you. If you're having an off day, get an oil that maybe you like the taste of and put it in there. Or find something that's specifically for what you're going through. So those are very cool. And then you get these cool little roller bottles so you can share. I know, you go, I'm spending $16 on a bottle, I'm not sharing. But you know what, a drop or two to get somebody else to see the benefits of it, it's so worth it. So they give you those free in there. Okay, I think that's it for the kit, right?
Yeah. And then the roller top.
Oh, thank you. So, I'm gonna set this here. Okay. So when these get low, I'll just use this one. When they get really low and you just can't get any more out of it, you just pop this little top off. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, maybe. I'm not gonna make a mess. But anyways, you pop that little plastic top off and that pops right on top. So now you have a roller bottle for your oil, which is great when you're getting down low too, and you can always add like a little carrier. I know I'm totally going off on a tangent right now, but so we have this little carrier oil. You can pump this into, not orally, but if you're using something on the skin, you can pump a little carrier oil in, and then it rubs it on, and it takes it longer. It helps it last longer on your skin. And also some people get like, oh gosh, that scent is just so strong. Then dilute it. Do you have to put it in the bottle and do all the mixing? No. The cool thing is you can take a little carrier oil, rub it on, and then you can take a little, let's see, I'll go wintergreen today. Little wintergreen, and just all around. And now I smell like I just brushed my arm with toothpaste. Toothpaste, another one, if I can tell you that right now too. Switch your toothpaste, get to natural, I know Tom's does one. Young Living sells a
Thieves
toothpaste.
Oh.
So seriously, all this stuff, there's so much information I can give to you, and I'll probably do a video another day to just kind of show comparison of how you can switch over. I'm not saying you have to switch everything over to Young Living, because I haven't done that and they don't offer every product, but we can get ourselves more natural. And I'm telling you what, I have gone through quite an array of 7 months of living out of boxes and not having a home yet. My head has never been more clear, and I started using these a month before we moved. So if I can encourage anybody to go get yourself Young Living oils, they are the best out there. I can attest to it. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Send me a message, whatnot. I am happy to answer any questions, and I really want everybody to be healthy and live better. So thanks so much for watching. I'll put a link down below for my number in case you want to go to Young Living and order yourself a kit. Have a blessed day. Okay, I'm back for a quick add-on. As I was talking and going on about all this, I just want to let you guys know that I do not claim that any of these heal, treat, or diagnose any ailments. I know I kind of mentioned anxiety earlier, and you know, when you get stressed and stuff. So just to let you know, I was sharing my testimony. It's not like, oh, you can replace this. I am not a doctor. I wasn't saying that. I was just kind of got going a little quick there and sharing again, like I said, my testimony of how these oils have helped you know, with things with me. But anyways, please still go. It is life-changing. I really do believe that. So have a great day. Thanks again.